Welcome, students! Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, when to cut back on web habits. Let us get to know more about this. For many people, the Internet's countless websites, viral videos, and other distractions just can't be overlooked, despite important goals to meet. To that end, WebWorker Daily outlines some tips for getting compulsive web surfing under control. First of all, remember, the Internet is a tool. A useful one, but a tool nonetheless. Whenever you feel crowded by the new blog post alerts, the instant messages, or email in your inbox, do what you do with any other annoying tool. Take control. Ignore it. And now, how to ignore it. Here are some tips to control on web habits. Offline day. Try to cure your Internet addiction by having, at least once a month, a completely offline day. From the time you wake up till the time you go to sleep, avoid any contact with the Internet. No PDA, no email, no IM, no blogs. Offline hours. During work, institute an offline hour habit, the time when you get work done. First time, it might feel weird. This is the time you do your offline work. Write memos, write code, etc. If you really need to get stuff from the Internet, write it down and move to the next item on your to-do list. No matter what, only go back online after the hour has passed. You'll be surprised how much stuff you can get done with a bit of volunteer offline time. No Twitter at work. 1. Nothing is more annoying than an SMS cutting into your flow. While it's nice to learn that your friend's cat has just been washed, it's nothing you want to learn while doing your job. Go to your Twitter settings page and tell it not to notify you during your work hours. Reduce email interruption. Just like for IM, try to have 2 separate email accounts, one for your personal and one for your professional life. Get better anti-spam filtering so that your inbox only contains real messages. Define filters, labels, and rules, and on Gmail, archive anything that matches them. Move as much stuff out of your inbox as possible. Check out stuff only on predefined schedules. Looking at the dock or taskbar to see if any new mail has landed in your Outlook or Mail.app can become a bad habit really quickly. Instead, set your taskbar or dock to auto-hide and try learning to check them at predetermined fixed times only.